Guys, Lloyd here, and today I'm going to get a brand new video. I recently got this fidget spinner. I got it from Thomasville. Sorry that. And we're just gonna play around with it. I'm gonna show you a few tricks, and make sure to drop this like. Make sure to drop a like on the video. Subscribe if you are new, and we may be doing some more giveaways here soon. I've got another fidget spinner coming in soon that I'm thinking about giving away, so stay tuned to that video, and we're going to show you some trick shots with this. I can pass it to somebody else. I can pass it to my finger. Also, we can do it like this. We can also do it like that. So this is the fidget spinner. This one glows in the dark. Actually, it's not dark yet. I had to like get into a dark area to do this. Make it glow in the dark. Actually, if I had somebody else recording me, I would have to have it on front face and all that. So I'm sorry about the quality. Let me zoom in. Sorry guys about that. I'm so sorry. Hang on one second, let me zoom in so y'all can see the fidget spinner. This is what it is. Let me zoom out some. This is what it is. Zoom out all the way. Okay. So this is what the fidget spinner does. It's for people with ADHD. If you haven't seen, if you don't follow my Facebook, I posted a picture of the fidget spinner, and I posted a picture of it. I said it helps with ADHD, and in the comment down below I misspelled it wrong, and one of my friends told me about it, so I'm sorry if I spelled it wrong. I will correct it, and there might be a part 2 to this video, or maybe not, because I don't have much storage space on my phone. I have to like do it with another person's phone. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna give a quick shout out to Wendy Phillips. She has got notifications turned on. If you want to shout out my next video, subscribe if you are new. If you guys enjoyed this video,